Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about on what stock we traded today, and also I'll be showing you my live trade what I take, and also I will be doing the live market analysis, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, today is 14th of September. Right now the market is open. That is pre-open market is running today. So let's just go to pre-open market and see how the pre-open market looks like. So Nifty right now it's at 11,515.60 in the pre-open market, which is still running. So just in few minutes the pre-open market will close, and then we'll see how the market will open today. And also I'll be showing you my live trades what I take today. So stay tuned for that. So guys, yes, right now the pre-open market is now closed, and as you guys can see, advances stocks are 45 and declines are 4 stocks, and unstring is only 1. Okay, so right now the Nifty 50 will be opening at 11,540.15, that is at 0.66% up. Okay, so coming to the stocks which are opening in the more upper trend like a gap up are HCL Tech with 3.52%. Okay, Tata Motors with 2.01% and UPL with 1.79% up in the pre-open market itself. And the stocks which are opening with a downtrend are BPCL with 0.66% down, JSW with 0.24% down, and Ultratech Cement with 0.11% down. So if you guys see this, so I guess today the market will be in a upper trend. So we'll see once the market opens which stock I will be selecting and what stock I'll be trading. So whatever the live trade I take, I'll update you guys. So just in few minutes I'll update you on what stock I'll be trading today. So guys, right now I have selected Zeal to trade. So the stock what we'll be trading today is on Zeal. Okay, so I've not yet taken any entry yet. So once I take entry on this stock, I'll update you guys whether it's a buy or sell entry. So right now the stock what I've picked to trade is on Zeal. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade and show you the live trading what I did today. So guys, right now I have taken a short sell entry around 220.75 in Zeal, and I'm waiting for it to go down. So I'm keeping 0.5% target again. So we'll see how the stock would perform. So we are in a sell side of Zeal right now and waiting for it to go down. So guys, as you can see, the low made as of now is almost 218.55. Yes, so more than 0.5% target has been achieved. Okay, and this was the call what was given to my client also, even they booked the profit. So as you guys can see, it performed well, and as we predicted, we took a short sell and the stock did fall down and our targets were achieved. So as you guys know, we took a sell around 220.75. So almost like 1% target is already achieved now. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, Zeal fell all the way down today. So as we predicted in the morning, so the downtrend was a trend what we got in the Zeal, and yes, it continued all the way down. Okay, so the low made was 214.10. That's the lowest made, and this was the profit what I was able to book today into the state of Zeal, and this was the call what was given to my clients also, even they booked a profit. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So Zeal 2400 rupees profit, 1950 rupees profit, and also client has given a feedback message, and this is a feedback message from my client. Okay, so who has joined my course and making advantage of it and making good profit and recovering his losses. 1710 rupees profit. So these are the profit what you're able to book today in today's trade of Zeal. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.